Teach Me TV. Back again with another exciting video. If you've been living off the grid for a while, you probably haven't heard of all the AI talk. You know AI, artificial intelligence. Just for those who are really wondering. Well, it's the new big wave and everyone is going nuts over it. That's what this video is going to talk about. We want to inform you whether or not you should be using AI and checking what it can do for your business. It could be another lucrative form of income. If that sounds like something you're interested in. If so, then, let's go. If you're looking for ways to make money as quickly as possible? If so, then you're in luck. Today I'm here to tell you about some of the best AI tools you can use to make money ASAP. We'll start off with ChatFuel. This is a free AI tool that makes it easy to create automated chatbots for your business. It requires no coding and can be used to create bots for social media, websites, and mobile apps. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily you can start making money with this tool. Next is Dialogflow. This is an AI-powered development suite that enables developers to build conversational interfaces for websites, mobile apps, and chatbots. It is free for developers and supports a wide range of languages and platforms. With this tool, you can easily create workflows that can understand and respond to customer queries in real time. After that is Watson Assistant. This is an AI-powered virtual assistant from IBM that is free for developers and can be used to create natural language processing systems and other AI-powered applications. It's a great way to make sure your customers always get the best service possible. Then there's Google Cloud Natural Language. This is a free AI tool that allows developers to analyze text, understand sentiment, and extract entities and sentiment. It is free for developers and can be used to create powerful AI applications. With this tool, you can easily gain valuable customer insights and improve customer experience. Finally, there's Microsoft Bot Framework. This is an open-source AI platform for developers to create workflows and other AI-powered applications. It is free and can be used to create applications for the web, mobile, and messaging platforms. With this tool, you can quickly automate complex and time-consuming tasks and save time and resources. Just in case you were wondering, these tools are beginner-friendly and come with tutorials and support to help you get started. So why wait? Start using these tools and start making money today. I left the links to all of them below in the description box. Before you go, we want to share with you the 5 high-paying jobs you get when you learn how to use these tools, as well as the starting salary. Just because you stayed until the end. 1. Chatbot Developer. A chatbot developer can use AI tools to create automated chatbots for businesses. They can earn an average salary of $45,000 to $80,000 per year. 2. Natural Language Processing Engineer. A natural language processing engineer can use AI tools to create systems that can understand and process human language. They can earn an average salary of $90,000 to $150,000 per year. 3. Machine Learning Engineer. A machine learning engineer can use AI tools to create algorithms and models that can be used to analyze data and make predictions. They can earn an average salary of $120,000 to $180,000 per year. 4. AI Programmer. An AI programmer can use AI tools to create applications and software that can understand and respond to user inputs. They can earn an average salary of $65,000 to $100,000 per year. 5. AI Consultant. An AI consultant can use AI tools to help businesses understand how to leverage AI for their business. They can earn an average salary of $75,000 to $95,000 per year. There you have it, guys. Use these tools to get the bag. As we always say here at Teach Me TV, we want you to learn how to do things the right way the first time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you on your journey to making money with AI. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell to receive updates on when we drop a new video. See you on the next one.